This is Catching Exceptions, and I'm here in Somerville at Valier for the Sitecore User Group New England. Presenting tonight is Dan Solovey and Sean Daly on Sitecore Commerce. Let's go sit down and see what it's all about. Hey guys, thanks for sitting with me tonight.
Pleasure.
So let's kick it off. What are you guys presenting on tonight?
So we've been playing around with Sitecore Commerce the past 2 weeks, and I'm going to be doing the installation, problems that we ran into during the installation, and Dan's going to be going through basically how to make a lot of money for your company with this app.
So let me ask, because there's a lot of e-commerce engines out there, what is the key differentiator for Sitecore?
It's very much built with that kind of pipeline and pipeline blocks where you can just basically stick in any kind of functionality you need to go beyond what's out of the box and add in whatever special flavor, special business logic, special features that you want to build into that your customers want you to build into the solution.
So extensibility is really the key?
Not just extensibility while still being able to upgrade. They're trying to keep you out of that trap where like, oh, we can't go to version 10 or version 11 because we've customized it. The idea with Sitecore Commerce is you can customize it, but it's engineered in such a way that your customizations kind of are cut off from the rest of the solution, so that when there are new features that come out, you want to bring them in, you'll be able to take advantage of them.
So for you, Sean, I know you were handling more of the setup. What type of problems were you running into?
I've been working with Sitecore now since probably version 6.6, and this is based on Sitecore 9. So there's a new paradigm of using the Sitecore installation framework, which is a real curveball thrown from how you used to set up things in version 6, 7, 8, and even 8.2. If you've ever done anything on Azure PaaS, you have a little bit of experience, setting up Sitecore with PowerShell and the WDP deploy scripts. But this is basically taking everything from your Solar indexes to your certificates, to your IIS sites, and creating them with PowerShell scripts. Once we got through the script once, it's very repeatable, but getting through that script the first time and having it run successfully, without any error messages, without throwing any exceptions, was a bit of a climb.
So what is it tonight that you want your audience to take away from your talk?
We want people to get excited about this. We want people to understand what capabilities there are out of the box, but also what it feels like to start. You have that conversation with the client and they say, well, we need to be able, customers to be able to do this. When they buy this product, it has to get fulfilled this way, but when they buy that product, it has to have special logic. We want people to feel like, oh yeah, I have a sense of how I'd do that.
Sean, did you have something to add?
I just want to, kind of assuage some people's fears of how hard this thing is to actually set up. As long as you kind of go into it with a plan and you're able to, not be afraid of an error here or there, we're gonna lead you on the right path to being able to use this thing, so you're not going on, Shopify and having to set a store up there.
So if somebody was going to migrate and they were going to take this on, what kind of challenges they're going to face?
Well, that's the great thing about this product is, when you're in a store like Shopify or something like that, you don't have control over it. You're built into their platform. You have to use their plugins. With this, you're able to sort of break out of that and do everything on your own.
I said one thing that's going to help you if you're doing a migration is that they've built it very much based on top of standards. So there's something called schema.org, and they have a standard product schema, which is used by, for example, Google Shopping. So this is, I think there are 1 million sites that use the schema.org product schema. The catalog and product sellable items in Sitecore Commerce are built on top of that. So that's going to get you started, at least a leg up on migrating your site over.
Is there a killer feature here?
I'm going to quote my Sitecore hero, Martina Wielander, who said, if anyone asks the question, can Sitecore? The answer is yes. That's the killer feature.
All right, thanks for your time, and good luck tonight.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.